My cat won't shut up now. He's circling my feet. He just bumped me in the right leg. I'm focusing on my sister's liquor graveyard above the fridge. I saw a faint blue light flash up there a little while ago, then it went away and came back. Went away, came back. She came and said, "I swear that there's nothing up there." I'm waiting for it to come back and see if I can catch it on film. I'm angling this, and I'm looking from a slightly different angle so I can inform you when it happens if you can't see it on there. Or maybe you'll be able to see better on there than I can, I don't know. But, where'd it go? As a matter of fact, where'd my kitty go? He's investigating his new cousin. Okay, I scooped him up. Now, back to the liquor graveyard. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's very bright from here. Oh, God. Yeah, blue. Oh. Yeah. Oh, God. There, it's gone. It's back. What is that?
January 18th.
No idea what that is.